Are you excited as I am? You must be. She's like, I know that box. Okay, we have 2 Woof Pack boxes to unbox today, and that's just because the mail service was a little slow and we weren't able to be picked up. So this is actually February and March's we will be revealing today. And of course, Miss Sophie is all prim and prepped in her chair, ready to rock this show, let me tell you. So here we go. I think this was the one? Yeah, I think so. I think this should be. All right, turn towards you. I just cut the tape, that was it. Woof Pack Rough Trip Adventure Voyage. So there we go. Backpacking across Canada. Wolf Plays Bark Pack, Pup Sport Sweet Potato, Pig's Ear Strips, and Veggie Sticks. Oh, lovely. Oh, she's going to love that. She's going to love that. Ooh, what's that? What's that, Sophie's? Definitely some nice little strips there. That is the dog treats, sliced pork ears, and Sophie loves pork ears. So isn't that awesome? That's awesome. Okay, yeah, we'll give you one of the more munchable ones right now. Sweet potato chew, vegetable chew. Okay, we've tried to give her sweet potato in the past, but let's try now, shall we? She may like this one. Maybe it's like dehydrated in like beef juice or something. Yeah. Oh, it smells delicious. Let's break a chunk off and give it to her. Let's seal that up. So what we want to do is actually take 1 toy and 1 treat from each box for the rest of the year and take them down to our local shelter. And that's going to be Sophie's gift to them. Okay. So there we go. What do you think of that? It's very chewy. Like I can imagine that would give you a good chew. It smells like sweet potato, so I can't imagine anything else with it. Maybe, like I said, there'll be beef broth in there or something. So here, let's put that up to the side so you can have that in a bit. And of course, a cute little backpack, little toy. Oh, there's a squeaker in there. It says Travel Pup, and it's got a little couple ropes on the back. That's not bad. I think she might like that one. Okay. And then here is another. She's not up for these, so I would happily get this one down to the shelter. So we'll put that up here. She's never ever been into those. So, and we've got a veggie stick right here, and she's still chewing on that sweet potato. So that's actually a good idea. We may want to start planting those, or think about planting some of those for our garden to be able to dry them if she's having this long of a chew on them already. Here's a little passport book toy. That's kind of cute. I don't know if she'll play with that. We'll give it a little bit. If she doesn't, it'll definitely go off to the shelter. So we just want to be able to share as much as we can with other puppers in needs, and when we can, because she doesn't go through all of her goodies. Obviously I make her goodies, and she has milk bones and stuff like that. So, oh, is there something you're interested in? Which, yeah, checking that out. What about this? Hey. Here, we'll put him in the box. Hop in the chair. Hop in the chair. Hop in the chair. Good girl. Okay. All right. So that is, that was February's, or I'm going to assume is February's, just because of the number on the side of the box. So this one would be March. Oh, she still had some. Was it good? Did you jump a little bit? Oh, even here too. There's a little crumb. There's a crumb, Rophie. There you go. He's a good girl. You the best? Give 5? Yeah, there you go. All right, so this should be the March one. Ooh, ripped it open as we were going here. Woof Pack Stanley Cup, or Stanley Pup Playoffs. Okay, there we go. So, Dog Glamour Skate, Wayne Pup Ski Stick, Cranberries with Thyme. Oh, that sounds like an interesting treat. Pork Liver Treats, and Beef Rib Bones. Okay, all right. Ooh, we got total Haka themed here. Okay. Oh, you like that? It's a skate. It's got some crinkly bits in the bottom. I don't find a squeaker yet, though. Oh, there we go. We found it. Here, we'll give you that one. And then Little woof t-shirt. Hey, where you going? Probably leave that one for the shelter. And probably even this one too. She's not into the rubbery bits ones. Or maybe she might like this one. No? Maybe? Yeah? Could be appealing to the Lofi? Well, it might be. Okay, all right. Then we'll take that as a keeper. And then, of course, we have the beef bone. Nice big bone. Oh, she'll love that one. But we'll just stick that up there because I don't want her to have it right now. And back in the chair, babe. Back in the chair. Come on. You're the star of the show. Come on now. There we go. And then we have a couple of treats here. Canadian bacon 8, 100% Canadian, pure dehydrated pork liver. And of course, a little thingy there. And then also those cranberries with thyme. I'd like to see if she likes those. We might save the Canadian bacon ones for the shelter. Okay. Because I don't want to give them anything I've opened, right? I want to give them stuff that's closed. So I'll just do some selective stuff. She's not lacking for anything, trust me. She's not lacking for anything. Oh, it smells good. Could definitely smell the thyme. I can't really smell any cranberry though, but I guess cranberry is maybe kind of a hard smell to smell. This is like cranberry sauce. It does have kind of like the look, so you can tell it's been cranberries are mushed in there. Whole cranberries prevents urinary tract infection. That's why I drink a lot of cranberry juice. So it's interesting that they put it out there for dogs too. Yeah, cranberry thyme. Doesn't say organic barley. 3 simple ingredients. There we go. Did you like that? Did you like that? That was a good treat for you? Well, we'll definitely keeping those ones. That's for sure. I like that. Wonderful. Okay, so we got some stuff for, definitely lots of stuff for Sophie. And even the leftover, like, here, let's give her this little, well, I'll just give her the whole thing, really, at this point. It feels like a really thick piece of leather. There we go. And we'll get these seems to be the ones that she was kind of interested in, so I'll keep these, take the little tags off, and these will become her new little buddies around here, and the other ones get recycled, and off we go. Isn't that cute? I like that. I think she likes the crinkly part. Oh, tail's back in. Thank you, everybody, for joining us. Big hugs to you, and we'll see ya on the next one. Pause up. So, pause. Come on, don't leave me hanging. Don't you leave me hanging. Oh, good gravy. Really? She's in for the good long chew. Maybe now? How about now? No. I know. Just let her chew it. All right. Take care, everybody. Thank you for joining us. You're so funny, Popalopes.